Good evening and welcome back to InfoComm India 2025 in Sound Control Technologies booth F25. We are showcasing, or we will be talking about a USB 3.2 extender here, which is connected to the AVer camera right now. The transmitter is sitting in the mount of Sound Control Technologies, which holds the camera in the front and the transmitter behind. It's a USB-C transmitter which powers the camera as well as controls and takes video. One CAT cable goes back to the receiver, which gives you USB-C out, which can be connected directly to the laptop for the camera content. Now this will not charge your laptop, so we have introduced one more product, USB PDC, which will take input from the receiver on USB-C and give you USB-C out with power and data. Now this is a simple product, like you can use it as a USB 3.2 extender as a standalone, as well as you can use this USB PDC as a power injector for any of the USB 3.2 cameras. Thank you. For more information visit soundcontrol.net.